Alice need no toys. No problem. Wow, it's amazing. Thank you, Chris. You're welcome. I think I need more balls. Chris! Marco needs help! What do you want, Mike? I need more balls. Aha! Wow! Thank you, Chris! You're welcome!
There is nothing. Chris! Huh?
What's up, Uncle?
Chris, I'm hungry.
Look what I have got!
It's too small for me.
Don't worry, Uncle.
Huh? Well, it's so delicious, I hope. Wow! It's ready! Wow! It's a giant pizza! Chris!
No problem, Uncle.
Wow! Let me help you, Chris! So big can of soda, thank you!
You're welcome. I want a real dinosaur. Chris, Chris, Chris. What happened, Mike? I need a real dinosaur. Okay. The real dinosaur. No, 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 no! Dinosaur, look! Dinosaur, come here! Enough magic for today, yeah! Uncle, there's no ice cream in the fridge.
Don't be upset. Do you want some sweet and cold adventures?
Yeah!
So let's go!
Let's go! Let's go! Let's go!
Wow!
Is it heaven?
It's just an ice cream store.
I will be first!
So many flavors. Would you like an excursion?
Yeah!
Go! Hi!
Let me show you what we have. Cotton candy, these are roller toppings, frozen lemonade, milkshake machine.
Okay, guys, who's gonna be first? Rock, paper, scissors.
Yeah.
Come on,
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Yeah, I'm gonna be first.
let's go.
Can I have a milkshake?
Do you wanna try to make something by yourself?
Yeah! Let's go! Yay! And now we have to mix it. It's marshmallow bar. Look, it's a big marshmallow. Wow, so cool.
like?
I don't know.
We have everything you want.
Even pizza.
Yes, let's do it. First, we put the sugar inside the cotton candy machine.
Wow. Oh, beef. So big. Let's decorate cotton candy pizza. Yay. Let's add some gummy bears. And ice cream. I have strawberry flavor. I have gumbo flavor. Yummy. Now our pizza is ready. Wow! It's blueberry with grape.
Kids, maybe it's enough. Let's make something for me.
Okay.
Let's go. It's hard to make a choice. I know. I'll take each of them.
Okay, Uncle. Let's go.
I'll take a strawberry.
Uncle, here you go.
Oh, please, thank you.
Do you like it?
Yes, it's so yummy.
Thank you, Uncle, for this sweet adventure.
You're welcome, kids.
Uncle, can I try?
No.
Hey! Let's get some ice. Wow, the snow! Oh, Chris, what are you doing? I'm making real snow. Oh, let's check Mommy. Okay. Mommy, I'm coming! Let's do it. Okay, no worries. Something for you. Something for you. Here you go, Mr. Brown. Some tea. Oh, Mr. Brown, you're gonna get the cold. A hat, a scarf. I think we need some hot tea. Oh, I see you're getting better. Let's go! Sneakers on the ice. I like it. Let's play soccer. Soccer. Yay, I love soccer. Niki, idea! Mommy, it was fun. Let's go make some ice cream. Oh, let's go.
Strawberry ice cream. Oh, blueberry ice cream. Yeah!
Ice cream.
Hey! I give you some ice cream if you help me.
Okay, Mommy. Let's do it. Okay. Mommy, I'm down.
Oh, thank you. This is for you.
Thank you. Yummy.
Juices.
Okay.
Apple.
Oh, I want juice.
All juices belongs to me. I'll give you juice if you help me.
Okay, Mommy. Mommy, I'm done.
Good job, Chris.
Yummy.
I like candies. What? It's not working. I need more.
Hello.
Hello, Chris. I need your help.
Okay. I help you.
It's working. Thank you. Let's play together.
Let's play soccer. Are you hungry? Oh, apple.
Stop! Did you wash your hands?
No.
Why, Chris?
I don't have soap.
I have an idea. Look. He has surprise for you. Make your own soap kit. Choose your color.
Oh, red.
Let's go. And mix it.
Ooh.
And put into the fridge to cool down. Almost ready.
I'm ready to wash my hands. Now it's gonna smell good. Uh-oh.
good for you. Please, first take a shower.
Oh, just wait in my car.
Cars? Bath? I know what to do.
Of course, signore. Okay, now let's build it. Benissimo.
That's awesome. You did a very good job. Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Chris, I have surprise for you. Chris, do you like it?
Yes, mommy, I like it.
Okay, let's go.
Let's go!
Kids, always remember about hygiene to stay clean and healthy this way.
Mommy!
Oh, hi, Chris.
I want to play!
Sorry, Chris. I'm so busy today.
Please!
Oh, I have something for you. Come on, play.
It's so cool! I like it! Go away! Oh no! Please broke my toys!
Don't worry, I have a new one. This is for you. Come and play.
Yay, I like it! I want new toy! Wow! Cool! Hey guys, I have today party. Come to me.
Hey, come on in. Trampolines are a lot of fun, but remember kids, you need to be safe. So let's check your height. Yeah, this way. Next is Chris. No, this way. We are done.
So fun! Come on, let's go!
Oh, yeah, why not?
Guys, let's go to another room! Yeah, let's go! Wait for me! Can you do this? It was so much fun! There's another one! Let's try it out! Okay, let's do it! Let's go! gonna hear us.
Guys, it's pizza time! Follow me! First, we need wash your hands.
Pizza! 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 Tasty! I love it.
Is it tasty?
Yummy. What is this? Playing with Niki and the house. Guys, come over here. Guys, I have the biggest one ever. Let's go! What are you doing in my house? What did you do in our house? I want to play with friends.
It's always a good idea to spend time with your friends. Give me fun.
Let's check it. What is it? Yeah.
Boxes are locked. What shall we do?
I know. Let's follow the key.
And open this box. You check this way and I'm going this way.
Let's do it.
Did you find keys?
No.
Let's do it together. Let's go. Mr. Green, this room. Let's check inside.
Found the key. Number one. Toys.
What we are gonna do in this room?
You must play my games to get the key.
This way, come. Done.
job!
Let's find this. I'm done. Thank you, my friend. Bye-bye.
Goodbye!
Number 2.
Airplane. Ready. Let's go.
Okay.
Let's check this room.
Movie theater. Movie theater.
Oh, let's go.
Oh, nice theater. Let's go. Found the key. Number 3. It's a bubble machine.
Secret door.
Yeah.
This is a secret room.
Let's go. Let's go upstairs. We need to go here. I get you.
Run!
Number 4. We need to find one more key. I found the key. Number 5. Mind, open the door.
Nobody here.
Mommy, bees took my lollipop.
Bees? Oh, we need to save our honey.
Yes.
Okay.
Tell me, what are you doing in my house? We need new house. Our bees need help. They need new house. Hello, we need a house for bees. Thank you. Our beehive is ready. Hi, bees! Welcome home! This house is too small for them. Oh, I have a bad idea. Fasten your seatbelt.
Welcome to my farm.
This is our bees. There's new home for you.
Blue color, it's for you. Purple for you. And pink for you.
Thank you so much. On your home. Bye-bye. Let's go.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. They forget their babies. No, no, no.